Welcome, plant enthusiasts. Today we're spotlighting the captivating Croton Red Banana, a tropical gem with an intriguing history. Originating in tropical regions, this ornamental plant, despite its misleading name, is not related to bananas but rather belongs to the Croton family. Fun fact, its vibrant red hues and leaf shapes have earned it the misnomer red banana. This tropical beauty boasts large, glossy leaves showcasing a spectrum of red, orange, and yellow hues. Its broad, banana-like foliage adds a tropical flair, making it a standout in any garden or indoor collection. To thrive, the Croton Red Banana prefers well-drained, fertile soil and bright, indirect light. Keep the soil consistently moist, but beware of overwatering. Its sensitivity to cold temperatures make it best suited for tropical and subtropical climates. For companion planting, consider pairing it with palms, ferns, and other vibrant Croton varieties. This creates a lush tropical paradise, enhancing the visual appeal of your garden or indoor space. While not typically consumed, its leaves have been employed in traditional medicine in some cultures. Rich in color, this Croton variety adds both visual and potential medicinal value to your green space. Its vibrant foliage, unique history, and potential medicinal uses make it a valuable asset for plant enthusiasts. If you found this exploration insightful, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more plant insights. Until next time, may your garden flourish, and may the Croton Red Banana bring a touch of tropical allure to your botanical journey. Farewell and happy gardening.